Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can unarchive a mail on Gmail. In order to do that, first we need to find our archived message. So we have two ways to do so. The first one is by clicking on More on the left side and then All Mail in order to find all mail messages. Or we can also use the search at the top and then we can type in :archive and press enter. And then we will see the archived mail messages. We can select the one that we want to unarchive and then we can choose to move to, so we can click over here and then choose, for instance, inbox or labels if we have ones. Or we can also enter the message, the mail, and then once again at top we can find move to, so we can click it and once again choose where we want to send it. So I'm gonna choose inbox. And now I have my mail message recovered. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.